This is the Sattler Files.
And in business, the stock market fell through the floor today.
The stock market report.
Hard to know where
The stock market went through the roof today. No one seems to have predicted it.
With Kevin Johnson.
And we cross now to Kevin Johnson at Argonaut Securities for our wrap-up of what's happening on the stock market. So tell me what's going on, Kev.
Well, Despine, it's quite interesting, actually, because I was just sitting here while I was waiting for that little rift to go through and seeing where the index was and where it's been. And I found a little known fact, which I'm happy to share with all the
please
Sattler
do.
File listeners, is that the market's up a whole 3 points today, 5,630 it is at the moment, which is neither here nor there. But what I did notice that since the 1st of July, which is this new financial year, and what are we now already, the 9th of August, we have only had 6 down days.
Well,
So that's quite an extraordinary. I was just looking and going, God, it's green, it's green, it's green, it's green, it's green. It's like quite phenomenal. 6 down days out of quite a few, probably about 30. Only 6 of them have been down, and all the rest are green. Some of them are small, but the point is they're all green. And I think that reflects the dilemma facing investors all over the world at the moment, is that interest rates are so low, what are we going to do?
yeah, exactly.
And that is the issue. The issue today for Australian investors is, okay, these banks, although, they might have lent a lot of money to this probably slightly overpriced property market in Australia, they're still paying 6 and 7% yield, so maybe we should be owning those. So all the bank shares are up today, all up at least 50 cents. CBA 73, ANZ 75, and Westpac and NAB 50 cents. So they're all going along very nicely. So I'm surprised the index is not up higher at the moment, but I think some of the resource shares and some of the other ones are down a little bit, especially some of the market darlings in the biotech space, like Cochlear off a couple of bucks and CSL are down $1, but they're still well over $100, both of them. So it's an interesting day from that front. Elsewhere, what can I see that's up? Rio are up 56, Telstra up 4, carsales.com are up 46 to 12.83. Bendigo Bank, after their good little wrap-up yesterday and wrap on the knuckles for their other colleagues in the banking sector, a bit of common sense. It's good to see they're up 26 to $10.40 today. Other stocks that are up include Ansell, finally rebounding, up 80 cents to $20.66 today. What else can I see here? Caltex are up 72 to $34. Nine have bounced back a couple of cents back over $1. Incitec Pivot, the fertiliser group, are up 6 to 283. Bank of Queensland up 20 to 1070. Pilbara Mines back up a little bit today, albeit small. Santos up 8 to 476. And going down the medium cap space, because we only like to talk about stocks that go up.
Of course we do. We like to remain absolutely optimistic.
Absolutely. And Slater and Gordon are up 12%. They're 48.5. Oh, that's right. My favourite of all time, GR Engineering, company we floated, a company I've been talking about for the last year till I've been blue in the face, up 12% today, 18 cents to $1.60. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
That's a wonderful result. Millennium also up 10% on some good drilling results. They're 29 today. Mesoblast are up 7%. What else can I see that I know? Because a lot of things are up and I don't even know what these companies are. Superloop are up 11 to 269. I just said that because I wanted to say Superloop.
Superloop. Now, another one I want to know about, we haven't talked about for a while, is Yowie. What's going on there?
Yowie, the chocolate people.
The chocolate people.
Yowies are 78 cents at the moment. They've been pretty steady at the moment. So still getting some good sales out of Walmart in the US. But maybe it's not chocolate season.
Maybe it isn't.
Who knows? Yeah. But all in all, a good solid day. The gold price is holding its level. It's $13.35 as we speak. The Aussie dollar's been quite firm. It's 76.25. That has brought the Aussie dollar gold price down only a tad. Actually, no, it's up because I didn't realise how high the Aussie dollar was yesterday. It's $1,750 an ounce, which I can tell you is a great price if you're an Australian gold producer.
Sounds like it too. Thank you, Kevin. Any other knowledge that you want to impart?
Not really. No, I'm just very comfortable where things are at the moment in the marketplace. Where, like I said the other week, we're looking forward to the reporting season. Already today, GR is a classic example of a company saying upgrading its earnings forecast by 20% prior to the actual result. I think that can be a sign, but I still think it's very much a stock picker's market, and it's the one you need advice on. But if you've been in the market for a long time, been holding shares for a long time, and they're finally getting back to what you paid for them, just hold on a little bit longer. I think that's important because
Yep.
the market has changed its sentiment quite dramatically now, and I think it's a market to be owning shares in, not necessarily not owning shares in.
Fair enough. And if people want to trade with you, how do they get in touch with you?
9224-6888. There's lots of good people at Argonaut.
I'm sure there are. Already waiting for the call.
Okay, good on you.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Kevin. Bye.
And in business, the stock market fell through the floor today.
The stock market report
The stock market went through the roof today. No one seems to have predicted this.
with Kevin Johnson. This is the Sattler 5.